Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build. It is the belief that no matter what happens, you have the ability to handle it. Confident people are not free from fear or self-doubt. They simply do not allow those things to control their decisions. If you like this content, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Speaking clearly and with conviction.
What you say to yourself shapes your confidence. Instead of saying, "I don't know if I can do this," say, "I will figure this out." Before you take action, picture yourself succeeding. Athletes, performers, and business leaders all use visualization techniques to build confidence before stepping into high-pressure situations. Exercise. Close your eyes and visualize yourself excelling at your next big challenge, whether it's a presentation, an interview, or a personal goal. Imagine the confidence you will feel once it's accomplished. Confidence is built through momentum. Each small achievement reinforces the belief that you are capable.
Example, if you successfully spoke up in a meeting today, acknowledge it as a victory. Small wins build the foundation for bigger ones.
Confidence is contagious. When you are around self-assured, motivated individuals, their energy influences you. Pay attention to the people you spend the most time with. Are they building your confidence or feeding your doubts? Confidence isn't about the absence of fear. It's about moving forward in spite of it. The more you take action, the less power fear holds over you. Real-life example. Michael Jordan's path to greatness. Michael Jordan is known as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. But did you know he was cut from his high school varsity basketball team? Instead of letting that rejection break him, he used it as fuel. He trained harder, believed in himself, and proved everyone wrong. His confidence came from action. He didn't wait for others to validate him. He created his own success by trusting in his potential. Confidence is a mindset that grows with experience. The more you push yourself beyond comfort zones, the more you realize what you're truly capable of.